Mango예요. Kumain pa ako ng mangoes.
Beautiful ba yun? Pero sige, pagbigyan na natin siya. First time to eat mango in the Philippines.
한국에서도 뭐 망고를 먹긴 했지만 필리핀에 망고 너무 맛있다니까.
당연하죠.
너무 맛있어서 망고를 먹었습니다.
Of course, I did have mangoes when I was in Korea, pero I heard that Filipino mangoes are the best. Kaya when I just arrived, I asked for mangoes, and napakasarap talaga.
Yes. You know, the Filipino mangoes are the best, right? But did you also know that the Filipino fans are the best as well? Now you know. Yes. Now currently, the Philippines is experiencing the Kim Ji-won fever. And lahat naman talaga kami ay in love sa'yo. Do you feel how popular you are here in the Philippines?
사실 실감이 안 난다고 할 수가 없을 정도로 굉장한 흥을 보내주셔서 지금 너무 감동이고 너무너무 감사해요.
Actually, I cannot say na hindi ko talaga nararamdaman. I can totally feel it dahil napakalakas ng iyong mga pag-welcome sa akin. So it's really overwhelming talaga.
And of course, you have to get used to this because every time you come back to Manila, it's gonna be like this. Promise! It's gonna be the reception, the welcome is gonna be so loud and warm. Now I have a question for you. Earlier, when you sang your first song, you chose, ang ganda naman masyado nito. Parang may natalang umanika na ang hair na hindi ko siya sure. Yeah, mamaya po yun. Yes, kasama ko. Thank you. So, earlier you sang Stupid Cupid, right? From the movie Princess Diaries for your opening song. Isn't this the song that you sang in your drama What's Up as well?
이 곡은 제가 제 데뷔 드라마인 왓츠업이라는 드라마에서 불렀던 곡인데요. 제가 이제 처음으로 드라마로서 보여드린 곡이어가지고 또 우리 필리핀 팬분들을 처음 만나는 자리인 만큼 이 곡을 불러드리면 어떨까 해서 곡을 선정을 해봤습니다.
My chosen song, it was from my drama What's Up. It was from the drama What's Up, so I sang this song, and I believe that I wanted to share it with all my Filipino fans, at alam ko na magugustuhan nila talaga ang kanta na ito.
Yeah. Of course, welcome naman natin sa stage, Miss Joara! Diba? Ating translator. Yes. So, of course, it's a song that suits G1 very well. Stupid Cupid.
첫 인사를 이렇게 사랑스럽게 하고 싶은 마음에 또 이렇게 준비해봤습니다.
I actually prepared it because I wanted to do the lovely Cupid kind of theme while I was making my first time my Filipino fans.
Yes, very angel talaga, very angelic.